So guys, we have only what's needed plant protein today, and this box is kind of cool. You can see we guys voted for this, and here you can see most brands first decide what to make, then they find a clever way to sell it to you. I didn't want to do that. Instead, I first asked you what matters to you. This pack came out of your votes built together with you. This is your own product. So only what's needed. Own product. It's kind of clever. Then here is some brand marking. Why only what's needed? Our favorite part about the name only what's needed is that it applies to more than just food. Only what's needed is a beautiful reminder to be less wasteful. That's nice. And here is something as well. What should we build together next? Wow, that's some amazing thing. If you guys have any idea, you can email them here. All right, so here is the box. 69% of you voted for whey protein concentrate. 4158 for whey. 62% of you voted for the brown box. Want a protein product, food venture. All right, so let's dive into the box now. We are not only building our in public, we are also building with the public. That's some clever line over here. So guys, I ordered basically two 1 kg packs of plant protein, and here are the paperworks. This came something like this, and this is your second whey protein. Before protein powder, let's see what all is the paperwork. So you can see they have provided in braille as well for the blind people. So that's kind of cool, being inclusive. And is your protein powder actually safe? Here are the lab tests we do in every batch to prove this. All right. Protein accuracy check, pathogens and aflatoxins check. All right. What's next? Adulteration and quality check, heavy metals and pesticides check. So we can verify the pack by scanning this QR code, and then we need to write the batch number. Over here we can see the batch number written clearly over here, OWE26002. So when I scanned this QR code, I had to write the batch number, and after that I got all of the list of these kind of tests, basically in a PDF format of all the tests that they did on these pack. All right, this is amazing by the company. Now here are some other paperwork. Let's see about this. All right, so we can scan the QR and share the feedback whether or not we like the product. And this is something that I have seen for the first time in my life. Basically, they are showing me all of the breakdown of the product. You can see the GST amount, the raw materials amount, the amount in manufacturing, packaging and scoop, in testing and analytics. And basically they have showed me that there is no advertisement going on about this product. So the selling price is 1400 rupees for this 1 kilogram of plant protein, and that is some exceptional pricing, especially for college going students. When I was in college, I can only dream about having a brand like this. So if you are in college, you should make the best out of this. We are trying to create world's most transparent food platform. See this, we can see. So they have basically shared the problem and the solution that they have provided. So in 99% of the nutritional labels are hidden on the back of the pack, and here we put our nutrition label in front of the pack. So when I see my old protein, that is of the whole truth, in front I can see there is nowhere a nutritional fact, but in the back they have provided the nutrition. But the only what's needed has provided this in the front. So this is kind of cool. And they have also said that they use a tiny unreadable font size, and they have used a pretty big size compared to that one. Companies don't mention the quality of ingredients they use. So these are basically some of the problems, and they have provided a solution as well. So now talking about the protein, here is the protein powder. This is a plant protein and it's 62.86% made from pea protein. And you can see it has 119 calories per serving, 24 grams of protein, 1.82 grams of carbs, dietary fiber of 1.64 grams, total fat is 1.39 grams, sodium is 244.20 milligrams. So we can see per scoop we can get 24 grams protein. There is 33 grams of scoop, so in total we will be getting somewhat around 30, yes, 30 total serving. So for 1 month this is an absolutely steal of a price. I would highly recommend anyone watching this video, you can easily go and purchase this product if you're interested in buying a plant protein powder which is not so much heavy on your pocket. See, all of these things have been mentioned in the pack as well. In order to consume it, we need to add 300 milliliters of water using a shaker or mix well for 30 to 45 seconds. So guys, this was about it, and this was basically the unboxing. I have consumed 1 scoop of plant protein, and I would say it is easily digestible for me. No bloating, no kind of issues, but there is some frothing, so that was kind of that's not, I won't say it is a deal breaker, but it is something that I have to get accustomed to. So I don't mind having that. Like this is 1400 for 1 month supply of protein, so what more can I ask? So that was about it. I hope you do like the video. If you did, you can smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in the next one. Bye bye.